Welcome to A Taste of K. In this video, I'll show you how I make rice and kidney beans. Here are a list of ingredients you'll need. The ingredients to cook the beans: you'll need 1 pound small red kidney beans, thyme, parsley, green onions, clove, green and red bell peppers, onions, 2 garlic cloves, and water. To cook the rice, you'll need 5 cups Jasmine white rice, the cooked beans, 9 cups of the bean liquid that you reserve, half a can of coconut milk, 2 tablespoon épices, salt to taste, oil, and 1 habanero pepper. To make adjustments to the amount of rice you're cooking, always remember it's 2 part liquids to 1 part rice. To see a video on how I make my épices, please click the link in the description box. Check the beans to remove any stone, pebbles, or rocks, or any beans that look damaged or discolored. Give the beans a rinse under cold water. In a pot filled with water, add garlic, green onion, parsley, thyme, onions, bell pepper, beans, as well as cloves. Allow this to boil for about an hour until the beans are cooked. For a video on how you can pre-soak your beans overnight, please check the link in the description box. Once the beans are done cooking, go ahead and drain, set the beans aside, and reserve the liquid to cook the rice. In a heated pot, go ahead and add your oil as well as the épices and allow it to fry for a few minutes. Add the cooked red kidney beans. Add half a can of coconut milk and allow it to boil for a few minutes. Off camera, I started to add some of the cooking liquid, so go ahead and add 9 cups of the liquid that you reserved from the kidney beans and a habanero pepper. While waiting for the liquid to come up to a boil, go ahead and add 5 cups of rice to a bowl and rinse under cold water a few times. Once the liquid have come up to a boil, go ahead and do a taste test. Make any adjustments at this moment before adding the rice. I added salt to taste. Add the rice and lower the temperature to medium-high. Stir so the rice do not stick. Allow the rice to cook on medium-high until the liquid has reduced. Once the liquid has reduced, go ahead and do a final stir. Put the lid on and allow the rice to cook on medium-low for 35 minutes. After cooking on medium-low for 35 minutes, the rice is done. Before serving, go ahead and remove the habanero pepper. I serve this rice and kidney beans with curry chicken, which you'll see in a future video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram, tasteofk_. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.